Hey garden lovers, I hope your summer garden's going well. Today we have another tomato feature, as long as this beetle doesn't land on me. Oh gosh, they're everywhere. But this is an amazing plant, so definitely wanted to share it with you guys. It's beautiful. It's been growing under this 50% shade cloth, so it's definitely had some protection, and it is a heavy producer. It's just packed full of beautiful tomatoes. Look at all of these guys. I'd say there's probably maybe 20 large tomatoes on the vine, lots of small ones as well. So it's just going to be producing for a couple more months. Haven't tasted it yet, but the seed packet information makes it sound amazing. And here it is. It is Black from Tula by Baker Creek, of course, favorite seed company. And the description: a unique large 8 to 12 ounce dark tomato exhibiting a rich, deep purplish brown color. Some seed savers say it's the best tasting of all the dark tomatoes. Very rich, old-fashioned flavor, sweet and spicy, a rare Russian heirloom. Excited to try these guys. Gonna get some harvested now and then do a tasting. Actually, I'm going to get them harvested, let them sit on the counter for a few more days, and then do the tasting. This is a gorgeous tomato. It's not cracking, beautiful color, firm. I know this is going to be so delicious. Get a few more. All right, here's what we have so far. We've got some Cherokee Purple ready to harvest right next to this plant, so gonna get those guys harvested real quick. Gorgeous. Everybody loves the Cherokee Purple. That guy needs to ripen a few more days. Wow, these rats are getting bold in the middle of the day. I think he's in there eating some grapes. I'm gonna try to sneak up on him. Oh, he stopped moving. He knows I'm here. Really small. I think he's a baby rat. There's his ears. Have you been eating our tomatoes? All right, he ran back to the fence line. Here is our yummy tomato harvest. Let these guys sit on the counter for a few days and then we'll get to tasting them. I'm almost positive this Black Tula is going to be a staple in our garden every year.